Hi, I'm Josh Friedman, and welcome to California Drone Connect, your way to connect to drone programs at colleges and universities and to industry throughout the state of California. We have divided the drone industry into 14 industry sectors and surveyed colleges, universities, and industry partners to find out what industries are they involved in. On California Drone Connect, you can find information about these colleges and universities and about these industry partners simply by clicking on colleges or businesses. Select the industry sector or sectors of your choice and click on the map. California Drone Connect is a great way for potential students to find educational institutions or jobs with companies in the drone industry. Additionally, businesses can learn how to become industry partners of their local educational institutions. You get contact information, you can see what sectors they are involved in, and you have links to their websites. We hope you find California Drone Connect to be your main resource to connecting to businesses, colleges, and universities within the drone industry in the state of California.